Yeah, I'm Sajja Meghana from Senior Bypass. So the topic I have selected for the company review session is HUL, Hindustan Unilever Limited. So the company was incorporated in 1933 and it comes under consumer goods and the headquarters are in Mumbai and Maharashtra. So the turnover of the company comes around 25,206 crores and there are total 16,000 employees including 1,500 managers and the part of 44.3 billion euros of Unilever Group. So there is up to 6.4 million retail outlets. So the R&D centers are in Mumbai, Bangalore, India. So Hindustan Unilever Limited is the largest FMCG company in India. It is owned by the British Dutch company Unilever and has about 52% majority stake in Hindustan Unilever Limited. Its products include foods, beverages, cleaning agents, and personal care products. It is headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. So, Hindustan Unilever Limited has over 35 brands spanning 20 district categories. As per Nielsen market research data, 2 out of 3 Indians use HUL products. So the vision and mission statements of the company are to make sustainable living commonplace. We believe this is the best long-term way for our business to grow. This vision statement puts emphasis on sustainability, especially amongst consumers. So the components are notable in Unilever Vision Limited are commonplace sustainable living, best long-term way, and the business growth. Coming to the vision statement, it is to add vitality to life. We meet everyday needs for nutrition, hygiene, and personal care with brands that help people feel good, look good, and get more out of life. And the mission statement underscores how the company satisfies customers in various aspects of their lives. So, the following are the significant components in Unilever's mission statement: adding vitality to life, meeting everyday needs for nutrition, hygiene, and personal care, helping people to feel good, look good, and get more out of life. These are the key people of Hindustan Unilever Limited. The CEO and MD is Sanjeev Mehta, and Executive Director, Finance and IT and Development Officer is Srinivas Pathak. So, coming to the product portfolio, Hindustan Unilever mainly focuses on soaps and detergents, which is of 48%, and the personal products are about 26%, and beverages 11%. Other operations are of 8%, exports of 4%, ice creams 2%, and food bakeries are of 1%, which is very least. So these are the competitors of HUL. It is ITC, Coca-Cola, Marico, and Dabur. So coming to the SWOT analysis, the strengths of HUL are they produce variety of products, distribution network, brand image, quality management, innovation, R&D strength. And the weaknesses are not able to compete with local competitors in the rural market, strong competitors and availability of substitution, low export levels, high price of some products. So the opportunities are a huge market, increasing per capita income, increasing consumer pattern, potential for making more impact or brand image, uh, coming in technology, example like water purifiers. They always come with new technology. They keep their technology upgraded. So coming to the threats, tax and regulatory structure, mimic of brands, substitute products, removal of imports restrictions, resulting in replacing of commodities. This is the shareholder pattern. Unilever has a 53% shareholder stake, and and next is FIs 2, 19%. General public consists of 14%. Next, DII is 8%, MFs is 2%, and others is 4% stake. So, the COVID-19 pandemic in one of the biggest challenges faced by the world in recent times. So, as a company driven by purpose, Hindustan Unilever Limited stands united with the nation. After announcing their commitment of rupees 100 crores, a lot of work has been carried out by their team to help the nation fight COVID-19. So these are the corporate social responsibilities: providing education on health and hygiene, women empowerment, water management, rehabilitation of special and underprivileged children, care for the destitute and HIV positive, rural development, plays active role in natural calamities. These are the awards and recognitions of the company. Environment Friendly Factor Award in 2017, Frost and Sullivan Manufacturing Company of the Year 2016, highest taxpayer financial year for 2014-15, New Big Best, no New Biz Best Managed Joint Venture Company Award 2013, FNCCI Service Excellence Award, highest taxpayer for financial year 2011 and 12, highest taxpayer award for financial year 2010 and 11, and best presented accounts and corporate governance disclosure in 2009. Coming to the conclusion of HUL, Hindustan Unilever Limited is a leading FMCG company in India, and from last 3 consecutive years, uh, it has shown accelerated growth in FMCG portfolio. Customers in India are also spending more in FMCG as the standard of living is growing. So HUL has placed itself successfully in the position of market leader in FMCG products. Though there was some downfall in sales and profit of the company in the beginning of this decade, but after the HUL has shown considerable rise in both sales and profit. So the future of the company is also looking bright as FMCG market in India is still expanding, and so we can safely conclude that HUL will be able to secure its number one position in FMCG product. Thank you.